hard for just a enemy, hard for just a friend. Just a friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not just see all of them.
What's up, everybody? This is your boy Catloco, and for the longest time I've had problems with the lighting issue, so I picked up these LED lights to try and help out the issue. I got one there and I got one there, but as you can see, I added some more lights. I got lights up there, all the way over, up there, and then all the way back here. So let me show you what it looks like now. I'm gonna have these on two separate switches, but let me turn this light off for you. So now it's super bright with these lights in here. I got mainly for when I'm working on my car, doing body work, paint. I added 11 LED lights. So now we don't have that light issue I had before. And then if I have on these lights right here, I got what, 5 more LED lights there. Then I got another 5 there. And what I like about these is I can change the direction of where I'm pointing the light. So between these lights and all my new lights for like the area where I'm gonna be painting and doing body work, I got light all over now. Got light above my workbench, and then all the way around. Anyway guys, this is just a quick update showing you what I'm doing in my garage. I came up with this for the lighting idea. I think I first saw it on BK Chevelle's channel. BK Chevelle Rider 86, I believe. We're at 3,700 watch hours for the giveaway. So 300 more and I'll give away those 3 ratchets. I'll link a card above. But like always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.